Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting things ready. Charge your AirPods Pro and open the case so the device advertises. On your iPhone, go to Settings and turn on Bluetooth. Tap the AirPods name to connect. Once done, swipe to open Control Center and press the audio card to see device options. This gives immediate access to noise control and spatial audio. Make sure your iOS is updated so settings match the latest features. This avoids missing toggles later. You now dive into customization. Tap the small eye next to your AirPods in Settings Bluetooth to view all options. Here you choose noise cancellation or transparency and assign press and hold to switch modes or activate Siri. That's how you control ambient sound quickly. Then enable spatial audio and head tracking to improve immersion. This uses sensors to keep audio positioned correctly as you move. Make sure to try each mode with real audio so you understand the perceptible difference. You finish by fine-tuning fit and behavior. Run the ear tip fit test to confirm a good seal because fit directly affects bass and noise canceling. Next, set automatic ear detection and choose which AirPod handles the mic, then watch for firmware updates. Installing them fixes many issues. If you hit a snag, reset the case by holding the back button for about 15 seconds, then repair. This solves most pairing and audio glitches, and it clears persistent misbehavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.